Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the standing half double crochet. So this here was from my standing single crochet stitch video. If you're interested in that, I will leave a link in the corner. Now we're going to work the half double crochet stitch, the standing half double crochet stitch. So you want to start with your slip knot. And then I'm going to join here. So the standing half double crochet is going to allow me to join my new color right into wherever I want to join my first stitch without, chaining two to get up to the height and then starting my half double crochet in the same stitch. So I have my working yarn on the side, and then this is my tail right here. I'm going to place my finger on my loop so I don't lose it. And I want to work into this very first stitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over. See how I'm holding this so that it doesn't move? Okay, so hold on to your loop, yarn over. Insert your hook into the space for the stitch that you want to attach your yarn to. Yarn over and pull up the loop. So I still have my finger here, just holding all my loops in place. Okay, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And when I do this, I like to hold on to the tail. So this is the slip knot, so that I don't lose it. Now I'm holding on to the tail and I'm going to pull it right through. So that is a half double crochet stitch, see? So you want to start with your slip knot. Here, I'm going to place my finger on my loop so I don't lose it. I'm going to yarn over. See how I'm holding this so that it doesn't move? Okay, so hold on to your loop, yarn over. Insert your hook into the space for the stitch that you want to attach your yarn to. Yarn over and pull up the loop. Okay, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, so I'm going to work this across. When you come back around, you have a stitch to work into instead of a turning chain. It just makes it nicer. It looks nicer and it gives it a cleaner stitch. So if you look here, it looks a lot better than if you were to just chain your stitches. Okay, so this is the last stitch here. I'm going to go right into my standing half double crochet and work my last stitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. Don't forget to check out the standing single crochet and standing double crochet stitch. I'll see you next time.